How to export CSV in PowerShell on Windows. To export CSV in PowerShell on Windows, you can use the export CSV template. Here's an example command: git process export CSV path c:\processlist.csv. In this example, the get process command is used to retrieve a list of all the running processes on the system. The export CSV template is then used to export the output to a CSV file located at c:\processlist.csv. You can customize the command to suit your needs. For example, you can use a different PowerShell command to retrieve the data you want to export, and specify a different path and file name for the output CSV file. Note that if the specified file path does not exist, PowerShell will create it. If the file already exists, PowerShell will overwrite it with the new data. To append data to an existing CSV file, use the append parameter.